Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I show you how to convert a simple image into a creative post. First step, duplicate the main image. Click on Image Layer and drag on New Layer icon for duplicate, or press Ctrl+J shortcut for duplicate. Now take a new blank layer. Take a brush tools and paint blue color on left side. Now take one more new blank layer, take brush icon and now select red color, and paint red color on right. Select both layer and set blending mode to color. Now select main image layer, and go to selection option. Choose subject option for select subject. Click on Layer Mask icon, now press and hold Ctrl key, and click on Mask for select subject. Now click on Main Image, press Ctrl+J for duplicate image. Select Layers and press Ctrl+G. Now select the layer, and go to Adjustment Layer, and select Curve Adjustment Layer, and curve the group according to your choice. Now go to File option and choose the Place Embedded option. For import the smoke PNG image file and shift smoke image below the group layer. Now press Ctrl+D for transform and double-click on Transform node and rotate the image, and decrease the size and shift to right side. Duplicate smoke layer. Press Ctrl+D for transform. Right-click on smoke image and choose Flip Horizontal option for flip the image and shift to left side of image. Take text tool, type your quotation that you want on your post. We typed "No gain, no pain." Select quotation and increase the font size and change font. Press Ctrl+D for transform, double tap on text, select node and rotate the text, and place the text back size of man. Select text layer and go to blending option of text layer. Tick on drop shadow box and second click on gradient overlay. Set gradient color, light blue on left side and light red on right side. Take text tools, type your logo name. Place text on top right side of poster. Decrease the logo size. Now select man cutout image and duplicate the image layer. Shift the image layer backside of text. Now press Ctrl+D for transform, and now increase the size of image. Now change the image blending mode. Set normal to soft light and decrease the opacity 100 to 90%. Shift the image little bit of down and shift little bit of right side. Now your post is ready. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos and tutorials. Please subscribe our channel Adobic. Thanks for watching.